Welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we are making a vegan turkey roll, perfect for the holidays with cranberry sauce or in wraps and sandwiches. Let's get started. In a blender, crumble a 10-ounce package of tofu that has been squeezed of all its liquid. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of mushroom powder, 2 teaspoons of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of miso paste, and 1.5 cups of water. Blend until smooth. In another bowl with 2 cups of vital wheat gluten, add 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, 4 teaspoons of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Mix to combine and add tofu mix to it. Mix with a spatula and then start mixing by hand. Knead for 5 minutes, and then wrap the roll into a heavy-duty foil and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 1.5 hours. Remove it from the oven and let it rest for 30 minutes before simmering in broth. Now let's start with the broth. In a pot, add 12 to 14 cups of water, celery, carrots, onions, garlic salt, ground thyme, dried shiitake mushrooms, ground sage, ground rosemary, and a little sugar, a couple of bay leaves, and some soy sauce. Liquid smoke is optional but highly recommended. Once it's simmering, add the vegan turkey roll. Simmer for 1 hour. Now pan fry it with a little bit of oil and fennel seeds. Slice and enjoy. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Feel free to comment any suggestions or ideas for future videos. Thank Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.